Hi everybody, today we're going to be making broccoli cheddar soup. So you're going to need some broccoli, kosher salt, garlic powder, paprika, a cup of sharp cheddar cheese, half a stick of butter, some cooking stock, some garlic, either cornstarch or flour, a pint of heavy whipping cream, half an onion, and about 4 shredded carrots. Okay, so we're melting our butter right now, our half stick of butter, and now we're gonna saute our half of our onion. And you're just gonna wait till this gets soft. And once that gets all soft, we're gonna add in 5 cloves of garlic. Okay, now that our onions are soft, we're gonna add in our garlic and our spices. You can use fresh garlic or the jar. So since it calls for 5, and if you're using the jar, that's gonna be about a teaspoon per clove. Okay. All right, now we're gonna give that a good mix. And we're gonna add in our spices, which is just gonna be 2 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of paprika. So get that in there. And then give it a good mix. And then we're gonna go in with our flour. All right, now we're gonna add in our flour and we're gonna stir this until it's combined completely. Cook out that flour taste. And once that's combined, we're gonna go in with our 2 cups of chicken stock, and that will simmer for 5 minutes. Okay. Let's get in the chicken stock. And once that's in, we're gonna give it a good mix, and then we'll start simmering. Okay, give that a good mix. All right, now that this has gotten good and thick, we're gonna add in our 3 cups of broccoli, our shredded carrots, and the pint of whipping cream. Okay. Made a mess here. Okay. Just pick that up. All right. Kind of give that a little mix. Then we'll do our carrots. Give that a stir. All right, now we're gonna pour in our whipping cream. And once we're done here, we're going to mix this all up, cover it, and let it cook for 15 minutes so those vegetables can cook down. All right, now that that's sat and simmered for 15 minutes, it's gonna be looking like this. I actually went back and added some more chicken stock and some more of the heavy cream because it just didn't look like I had enough. So if you need to do that, you know, if you eyeball it, you can always go back and add more of your liquids. So the next thing we're gonna do is stir in our 1 cup of cheese, and we're gonna let this get all melted in, and if 1 cup's not enough for you, you can go and add more as well. Once this melts down, you're gonna salt it and pepper it to taste, and then you're done. All right, salting and peppering to taste. I've already got my salt in there. We're gonna give it a good mix, and we serve ours with some toasted bread, and here's the final product.